12 simple eye exercises to improve your vision easily. These exercises are easy to follow and can be incorporated into your daily routine, promoting better eye health and improved focus, making them suitable for individuals of all ages. Whether you're spending hours in front of a screen or just want to give your eyes some extra love, these simple exercises can make a world of difference. The best part? They're incredibly easy to follow and can be done anywhere, anytime. So, if you're ready to see life more clearly and improve your vision naturally, keep watching. Number 1, exercise. Let's start with palming, a fantastic exercise to relax your eye muscles and relieve eye strain. First, find a comfortable seated position and rub your palms together vigorously for a few seconds to generate warmth. Now, gently cup your palms over your closed eyes, making sure no light enters. Your fingers should rest lightly on your forehead, and your palms should comfortably cover your eyes without any pressure. Visualize complete darkness and focus on your breath. Inhale deeply and exhale slowly, allowing your eye muscles to completely relax. Continue this for 1 to 2 minutes. You can repeat this exercise several times a day, especially after prolonged screen time. It's important to take regular breaks to avoid eye strain. Looking at distant objects or nature can also help relax your eyes. Staying hydrated is crucial for overall eye health. A balanced diet rich in vitamins and minerals supports eye function. Incorporating mindfulness and yoga can further enhance relaxation. After palming, you should feel a sense of calm and rejuvenation. This simple exercise can improve your focus and productivity. Share this technique with friends and family to promote eye health. Remember, good posture and ergonomics are also key to reducing eye strain. Set reminders to practice palming throughout your day. Embrace this practice to maintain relaxed and healthy eyes. Number 2, exercise. We often underestimate the power of a simple blink. Blinking helps lubricate our eyes and prevent dryness, which is crucial for clear vision. However, when we stare at screens for long periods, our blink rate naturally decreases, leading to dry, irritated eyes. To combat this, make a conscious effort to blink more frequently throughout the day. Here's a quick exercise. Close your eyes slowly, hold for a second, and then open them wide. Repeat this 10 to 15 times. You can do this exercise anytime you feel your eyes getting tired or strained. Number 3, exercise. Our eyes constantly adjust their focus, but we can train them to become more efficient. This exercise helps improve your eye's ability to shift focus smoothly. Hold your thumb about 10 inches away from your face and focus on it for 5 seconds. Then, shift your focus to an object in the distance about 10 to 20 feet away and hold for another 5 seconds. Repeat this back and forth focus shift 10 to 15 times. This exercise is particularly beneficial if you spend long hours reading or working on a computer. Number 4, exercise. It's called Near and Far Focus Advanced. Now let's take the focus change exercise a step further. Instead of just your thumb, hold a pen or pencil vertically in front of your face. Focus on the tip of the pen and slowly move it closer to your nose, keeping your eyes fixed on it. Once the pen is almost touching your nose, slowly move it back to its starting position, again maintaining focus. Repeat this movement 5 to 10 times. This exercise helps improve your eye muscles' flexibility and coordination. Number 5, exercise. Drawing a figure 8. Imagine a giant figure 8 lying on its side in front of you. Now use your eyes to trace the outline of this figure 8, starting from the center. Move your eyes smoothly and slowly, following the imaginary lines. Complete 5 to 10 repetitions in one direction and then reverse the direction for another 5 to 10 repetitions. This exercise helps improve eye tracking and coordination. Number 6, exercise. The 20-20-20 rule: combat digital eye strain. In today's digital age, our eyes are glued to screens more than ever, leading to digital eye strain. The 20-20-20 rule is a simple yet effective way to combat this. Every 20 minutes, take a 20-second break from your screen and focus on an object at least 20 feet away. This gives your eyes a much-needed break from the constant near focus demanded by screens. Make this rule a non-negotiable part of your daily routine, especially if you spend long hours in front of a computer. Number 7, exercise. Eye rolling isn't just for expressing exasperation, it's also a great exercise for your eye muscles. Start by looking straight ahead. Then, slowly roll your eyes in a clockwise direction, making a complete circle. Hold the circle for a moment at the top, bottom, and sides. Repeat this clockwise rotation 5 to 10 times and then switch directions, rolling your eyes counterclockwise. This exercise helps improve eye flexibility and strengthens the muscles that control eye movement. Number 8, exercise. This exercise focuses on strengthening the muscles responsible for diagonal eye movements. Start by looking straight ahead. Then, without moving your head, look up to your right and hold for a couple of seconds. Next, look down to your left and hold again. Repeat this diagonal movement 5 to 10 times and then switch directions, looking up to your left and down to your right. This exercise helps improve eye coordination and strengthens the oblique muscles of your eyes. Number 9. Exercise. Imagine you have a camera lens in your eyes. Extend your arm in front of you with your thumb up. Focus on your thumb and slowly bring it closer to your face, as if you're zooming in with a camera. Continue moving your thumb closer until it's about 3 inches from your face. Then, slowly move your thumb back to its starting position, zooming out as you do. Repeat this zooming in and out motion 5 to 10 times. This exercise helps improve your eye's ability to adjust focus at varying distances. Number 10. Exercise. Like any other part of your body, your eyes benefit from a relaxing massage. Using your fingertips, gently massage your eyelids and the areas around your eyes in circular motions. Start with your eyelids, using light pressure to massage from the inner to the outer corners. Then, move to your eyebrows, massaging along the brow bone. Finally, massage your temples in a circular motion. This gentle massage helps improve blood circulation, reduce eye strain, and promote relaxation. Number 11. Exercise. Hold a pencil at arm's length in front of you. This simple tool will help you train your eyes to focus better. Now, concentrate on the tip of the pencil. Notice how your eyes adjust to bring the tip into sharp focus. Slowly and steadily, begin to move the pencil towards your nose. This movement should be smooth and controlled. Keep your eyes locked on the tip of the pencil. Feel the muscles in your eyes working to maintain that focus. As the pencil gets closer to your face, you might notice it becoming more challenging to keep it in focus. Your eyes will naturally converge inwards, working harder to maintain a clear image of the pencil tip. Continue this movement until you reach a point where you can no longer keep the pencil in focus, or until you start to feel a strain in your eyes. It's important to recognize this strain as a sign to stop. Then, slowly move the pencil back to its starting position at arm's length. This reverse movement helps relax your eye muscles. Repeat this exercise 5 to 10 times. Consistency is key to seeing improvement in your eye muscle strength. Pencil push-ups are particularly beneficial for strengthening the eye muscles responsible for convergence. These muscles are crucial for tasks that require clear near vision. Strengthening these muscles can improve your ability to read books, use smartphones, and perform other activities that require close-up vision. Regular practice can lead to significant improvements in your overall eye health and visual clarity. Lastly, number 12. Exercise. This exercise is as simple as it sounds. Close your eyes tightly for 3 to 5 seconds, squeezing your eyelids together. Then release the squeeze and open your eyes wide for another 3 to 5 seconds. Repeat this squeezing and releasing motion 10 to 15 times. Eye squeezing helps improve blood circulation to the eye muscles and can be particularly helpful in relieving eye fatigue. So there you have it, 12 simple yet effective eye exercises that you can easily incorporate into your daily routine. These exercises are designed to help you maintain and even improve your vision over time. By practicing these exercises regularly, you can keep those peepers healthy and vibrant. Whether you're looking to reduce eye strain from long hours at the computer or simply want to enhance your overall eye health, these exercises are a great place to start. Incorporating these exercises into your daily routine can bring numerous benefits. Not only can they help reduce eye strain and improve focus, but they can also enhance your vision naturally over time. Remember, consistency is key. The more regularly you practice, the better the results you'll see. Make these exercises a part of your daily life, and you'll be amazed at the difference they can make. Whether you're reading a book, working on a computer, or practicing yoga, these exercises can help you maintain relaxed and focused eyes. Thank you for watching. If you found these exercises helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more health and wellness tips. Your support helps me create more content to help you live a healthier, happier life. See you in the next one. Stay tuned for more tips and exercises to keep your eyes and body in top shape. Until then, take care and keep practicing those eye exercises.